A few years ago, I ran a product company in Sweden. We designed and sold physical products, sourcing from suppliers, managing warehouses, juggling purchase orders and invoices. We used a tool called TradeGecko. It was simple, fast, and it just worked. Then Intuit acquired it, rebranded it to QuickBooks Commerce, stripped out features, and eventually killed it entirely. So I decided to build what I couldn't find. This is your command center. Everything you need to know about your business at a glance. Revenue, orders, stock levels, margins, top customers, trending products, all in real time, all customizable. Drag widgets around, resize them, pick your time range, make it yours. That search bar at the top, it's a command palette. Jump to any page, any product, any order, instantly. Most inventory tools assume your products already exist, but if you're building a brand, you're constantly developing new products. This is the product development pipeline. Every idea starts here, moves through research, design, sourcing, sampling, all the way to launch. Each card tracks your suppliers, cost estimates, target margins, samples received, files, notes, everything in one place. No more spreadsheets, no more lost emails about that supplier quote from 3 months ago. This is your AI assistant. It's not a chatbot with canned responses. It's connected to your actual data. Ask it which products should I reorder this week, and it pulls your stock levels, your sales velocity, your lead times, and gives you a real answer. Ask it to build a custom report. It generates a full PDF with charts, real visualizations, not screenshots. Let's talk about the day-to-day. A sales order comes in. You see the customer, the line items, fulfillment status, payment status, everything on one page. Ship some items now, the rest next week? Partial fulfillment is built in. Every change is tracked with version history. So, you always know who changed what and when. Packing lists auto-calculate weight and dimensions. Print them. Hand them to your warehouse team. When you're ready, one click creates an invoice. Tax rates pull from the customer record. Send it, track the payment, issue credit notes if needed. It's the workflow you do 100 times a week, made as fast as possible. Now this is one of my favorites. Your customers and suppliers plotted on a real map. See where your business actually is. But here's the real power. Ask the AI to find you new prospects. Find leads in New York. It searches, generates leads, drops them on the map. Filter by customers, suppliers, leads. Plan your sales routes. Find gaps in your coverage. It turns your CRM data into a visual strategy tool. Demand planning is where most small businesses fly blind. Not anymore. This page shows you what's trending, which products are surging, which are declining, and exactly when you'll stock out if you don't reorder. The demand calendar lays it out week by week, expected stockouts, planned deliveries, order by dates. So you're always a step ahead. The year wheel. Your entire year on one screen. Product launches, trade fairs, incoming goods, campaigns, milestones. Click a month, see what's planned. It's the kind of overview that used to require a wall-sized whiteboard and a lot of sticky notes. Inventory management is the core of VNDLY. Track stock across multiple locations. See every movement, every shipment in, every sale out, every adjustment. When it's time for a physical count, create a stock take. Print count sheets for your team. They count, you enter the numbers. VNDLY calculates the variance automatically. The variance report shows exactly what's over, what's short, and generates a PDF you can file or send to your accountant. No more, I think we have about 50 of those. You know exactly what you have. If you ship large orders, wholesale, B2B, container loads, you'll love this. Select a sales order, pick your container or pallet type, and VNDLY figures out the optimal packing. Which items go on which pallet, how they're stacked, total weight, stability metrics, even a 3D visualization. It's the kind of feature you'd normally pay thousands for as a separate logistics tool. Connect your AI provider, OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google Gemini. Test the connection, save, done. Hook up your sales channels, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, your accounting, Xero, QuickBooks, Visma, your shipping, EasyPost, Shippo, FractYacht. VNDLY doesn't replace your stack, it connects it. I built VNDLY because I needed it. As someone who ran a real product business, who dealt with suppliers and warehouses and late shipments and stockouts, every feature in here exists because I live the problem it solves. If you're a wholesaler, a retailer, a brand owner, an e-commerce seller, if you make or move physical products, this was built for you. Try it free for 14 days. No credit card required.